Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And welcome back to my lift. Today's vlog is gonna be so exciting because it is one of my closest best friend Matangi's birthday eve. So we're going to 1-8 for that, and then after that cake cutting at her house, and then after that I'm going to Mahika's house for a sleepover. So a full on fun night planned. I'll quickly show you my outfit. This is my look. This top actually comes with a skirt, but I'm wearing pants, jeans, and I'm already on the ground floor, so let's go.
Both of guys, I've started the vlog. I've started the vlog though.
This is my and Matangi's intro. Yeah. We forgot to film, and I think this is the perfect start. Like both of us just forgot.
Talk loudly.
Oh my god! How much loudly should I talk?
But it's Matangi's birthday eve.
It's tomorrow, but we are
birthday eve. We are at 1-8 commune. Matangi, you want to come there, na?
Holy comes out.
She will faint. She'll start like, she'll go mad. She will leave us. She will leave us.
I'll start crying. I'll start crying. Then because of crying, I'll film.
But
Okay.
what if like Anushka Sharma is also there?
I'll take pictures. But she is more like.
What? Don't say it. Tomorrow when we become famous, we'll go viral.
That's why I didn't say it.
I push you and go. Speak.
I'm also a big fan of Virat and Anushka as well, like a couple.
But let's talk about art. Today is about we got a really beautiful flowers. Why are they kept with you?
No,
they are hers.
I love it.
It doesn't matter. Keep it here. It's all hers. It's from my end also.
Oh, now give it to me. I'll give it back. Now I'm giving it to her.
Give no.
Happy birthday.
So our mushroom googly dumplings are here, and we were just like taking pictures with the sunflower.
Our pizza is also here.
Yeah, our pizza is also here. So this is the truffle pav bhaji sliders.
So guys, we ordered the truffle pav bhaji. Is it?
Yeah, sliders.
And what?
Truffle pav bhaji
We
sliders.
ordered the truffle pav bhaji sliders.
Sliders, yeah.
Sliders or sliders?
Sliders.
Take 3. We
But-
ordered the. It looks very yummy because it looks like a normal pav bhaji. I thought it's sliders.
It's sliders, the truffle pav bhaji sliders. And this is a third dish that we ordered. We ordered the basilico pizza, the googly dumplings, mushroom googly dumplings, which is Virat's favorite. And now we've ordered the truffle pav bhaji sliders. The music's too much, so you all might not be able to hear me. So in case you all can, I'll put the subtitles here. The first 2 dishes were very good, but these sliders are honestly very average. Not worth having, not at all. So our drinks are here, and we are getting some aesthetic pictures, which we are unable to get, but hopefully we've got some. We got some, okay. And the sunflower which we gave to Matangi is actually the highlight of all our videos.
It's actually a prop.
It's a prop for all our videos. I should ideally not be having it because I have a cold and a cough, and my mom's going to shout at me when she sees this video, but who cares? For one night I'm going to have the mocktails. And this is the pasta. It's a truffle, mushroom, butter pasta, something like that, with the garlic bread, and looks tempting. We have filmed for her vlog. Who's calling you at this hour?
My grandmother. And now the same thing.
Now the same thing we're saying for the third time. I came here for my 20th birthday, and we're coming for her 21st birthday eve. So, and we sat on the exact same table that me and my parents sat.
Like we asked them for that
coincidentally the
table,
same table that I sat on my birthday. So yeah, and show the flowers. They're the highlight.
Main character moment.
These are for her from us, but we have taken pictures of them everywhere. They are like our what is that called? Our prop. So how do you all like the food? Say for the third time.
And like everything we ordered had truffle in it.
Truffle, lots of truffle.
Because vegetarians say
So I would say also enjoy truffle if you're a vegetarian, because most options have truffle.
Most of them.
But the best was the googly dumplings.
Dumplings,
yeah.
And
that's
the
also
passion fruit.
Virat's special, yeah. And the mocktails.
Passion fruit, whatever
I
we
like
ordered.
the berry one as well. Like we ordered
Yeah.
2, so like the berry one was also really good. Yeah, and now we're going to take pictures, and her dad's coming to pick us up, and then we're going to her house for the midnight cake cutting. Her birthday eve, finally 21, legal. Matangi
Finally.
Finally, she's turning 21. There's the beach there. We won't go say andar. Mama, daddy, don't be scared. We're not her parents, my parents. Don't be scared. We're doing nothing wrong. Yeah, we're not going inside.
Beach is like this.
That was one day there, and this is the beach. So we're just gonna go ऐसे थोड़ा सा इधर and just not go in under, of course, but just some pictures and all. We are just clicking pictures by the beach.
Nice.
But it's so pretty. Like, look at this. This is the beach, and we're clicking all amazing pictures. But it's coming really good. The pictures are amazing. So we are back to Matangi's building now, and we're just sitting here talking, chilling.
But my mother has banned our entry because it's a surprise. It's obvious, like
she's asked you not to come.
yeah, that's what she said in the car.
Because there's some.
Unfortunately, there's no code that she can talk in, like with my dad, like because Tamil
you
is
all
something
know
that I
the same language.
Yeah, you all know the same language.
So none of us know what the decor is. So I want Matangi to guess what.
But she already has sent inspo.
But she's not sure na if that'll happen. So
Yeah.
I want her to give like a little detail of what she thinks the
And-
cake will look like, what the decor will be, where will it be.
And then
And
we'll
then
see if
we'll
it's
see
true.
if it's correct or not.
Yeah.
So based on whatever I sent mom, like I feel like the cake will be like a beige white color, maybe little gold or sprinkles. I'm not sure. My decor, I hope it is gold and white. It'll mostly be like when I enter my house, there is this big giant Ganpati painting.
So
It's
there.
a plain wall basically in the hall. So probably yeah.
So now it's Matangi's reaction. Hi. Now walk.
God.
Don't open. Don't go here. Go. Don't open. Don't open though. Are you straight? Yeah, you go. Now don't. Hurry, wait. Now open. So Matangi, so the thing is, our dogs are getting a little restless
Impatient
because
because
they
they know
smelled
someone
us.
new is here.
Yeah, but that's why, because we are too scared. We are sitting here. Aise. We were there actually.
And
Auntie
and
Matangi
will
are
protect
going to
us.
protect
They're
us
gonna
because they
guard
just
us.
need to see us from afar. Otherwise, they'll get very restless.
And we are not ready to see them from afar.
Afar also. So we were sitting there.
I was sitting here.
And I was sitting here.
Yeah,
and we have
this
come
way.
here. Just because of the dogs. Don't laugh. Later you have to cry.
Don't say such things.
But I will though. I'm just sitting on the edge, just in case I have to run.
She thinks she can outrun them. Matlab,
I am
might
very
as well
fast.
Stay put.
Happy birthday to you. What are you saying?
What if like photo khichate and I'm like just sleeping right now?
No, I'm not going to let you sleep. So it's almost like 3. It's 3 a.m. and we came back from Matangi's birthday eve celebration and we are just talking. We thought we'll watch something, but we're just busy talking. What are we discussing? Very useless topics.
Good night.
You're not sleeping. I told her, let's like watch for half an hour something, but she is not listening.
So comfortable.
We shot like my product ka reel also, it will come up on Instagram soon. So wherever link is down in the description, so go and watch it. So can we know your very expert advice on how
I
to
don't want to give. Why should we reveal such things?
so she taught me a very nice idea on how to make a laptop photo of watching a movie look like a TV photo.
Yeah. Very smart decision.
Yeah, very, very smart decision. Fully she folded everything, blah, blah, blah. It took effort, won't lie. And why?
It was nice. Wasn't it looking like a
It was. And now I know, so I, of course, can't.
But
I'll
doesn't mean I
insert-
don't take TV
I'll
photos.
insert the picture.
Yeah, but I do take TV photos also. But I take photos like this also.
True.
What are you saying? Don't make me shoot at 3 a.m. We already shot your product. That is the enough content for my day. So already we shot for Matangi's birthday so much.
So Mahika has made upma for me. Chef Mahika. It's morning time now. And coffee and fruits. Just gonna have breakfast.
Eating breakfast.
Yeah. We are working. Mahika's in the kitchen. And we are working. Work from home I'm doing. And then half
day. I decided कि चलो ठीक है half the day के बाद I'll go for work. And that's Mahika. She's also working. And yeah, I'll have lunch and then I'll go after some time. If my office people see that this is what is going on,
They will now see.
it'll be work from home won't be given then. I was working on 10 minutes ka break. I deserve 10 minutes ka break.
Nonsense.
I'm also kind of like helping Mahika with the work. I helped her film a little bit of a reel and also I'm working only, but I'm doing my work also and I'm helping Mahika also. Now it is lunch time and we're still watching the movie. We are एकदम ऐसे skip करके watching it. Not skip करके, it's just playing in the background and we are just doing our work. We're doing our work now, Mahika. Yes. So that's it for the video. I'm going for work now and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.